golden, so soft, so tasty, perfect for breakfast or really any time of the day. Hi everyone, today I'm making what German call Arme Ritter. This French toast is so simple and super delicious. In a bowl, I'm going to be pouring the fresh eggs I'll be using. For the exact measurements used, please check the description box. Into the eggs, I added salt and I also added sugar into it. Into it, I'm going to add milk as well. After adding the milk, I gave them a very good mix for them to be really well combined. I'll quickly use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you, my followers, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your loving support. Newcomers, you're also welcome. Please join us. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, share the video for you to have it whenever you're ready to make your own. After that, I'm going to get my pot ready. I turn on my heat, and into the pan, I'm going to place this butter in it, allow it to melt, and cream it very well all over. You don't need much butter for this. If you have a non-sticky pot, it's also perfect for it. So lovely, what you can see here are my toast bread. I'm going to be using full corn toast bread. Feel free to use any kind of toast bread you have at home. So that is the mixture. All I need to do is to dip the bread into the mixture right and left, and then place it direct into the pot. You can see how it looks. This is how I'm going to continue to dip each bread and place it there. So lovely, all I need to do is to flip it over once the other side is golden brown. This is how it's going to look. It doesn't take time at all. So lovely, when the other side is also golden brown, then voila, it is ready. This is how I'm going to take it out, and you can see what we have here, golden. The aroma is super, and I'm also going to just repeat the same process like this. Cream the pan, dip the bread in the mixture, place it in the pan, and that is how I'm going to make everything until I'm through with them all. This is so simple. It's a super breakfast, crispy on the outside, soft inside. The aroma is just too much. That is what I would say. It can be eaten direct like this. All you need to make is your tea or your cocoa drink. And if you want, you can also serve it with some syrup on it. But I served mine with cinnamon and sugar. The combination is super for me. I really enjoyed it. I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.